Oh, look at the cross.
My brother said Daddy Details got hit, and it's right down the street from Aldi. Same thing, and it just funneled, and it just got bigger and bigger and bigger as it came across my property.
That's such a big hail.
That's the biggest hail I've ever held in my hand.
The very day I put my privacy fence up and I get hit with a tornado, ain't that some weird stuff?
Yeah.
Ain't that crazy?
That's the shit right there, man.